When I came to see Hope initially, I was suffering from plantar fasciitis from skiing. And so it was my foot, and it was pretty severe pain. And it had diminished a little bit, but not nearly to the extent I had hoped. And it was still difficult to walk. And they treated that. And after a couple sessions, that really accelerated the recovery more than I expected. I've also had laser treated on my shoulder, my neck, and even my sinuses. I used to have very bad sinusitis, and I had deviated septum surgery. But one time I came in before that surgery, and I just said I'm all stuffed up from my allergies. Well, I had one treatment, and it actually really cleared it out. So it really surprised me how it worked on something I never thought it would be applicable to. I think a couple of the advantages of laser therapy is that it can be used for acute pain or injury, but then it can also be used routinely for maintenance. But as you get older, you find out that you may have tweaks or strains, or it just takes longer to recover. And so I think low-level laser therapy is very interesting in that it can help your body recover from normal activities when there isn't an injury. But then if you do have an injury, it's an alternative way to be treated versus traditional medical practices that I prefer because it's not medicine-based. And so I feel like using the laser therapy while I'm active may help prevent some of those injuries. And then that way I don't have to see a doctor routinely. And then even when I'm injured, I found that the combination of laser therapy, even with a doctor's evaluation, was a really good combination. A lot of doctors or a lot of practitioners could have laser, but it's really how to use it and how to use it effectively. And I think that's the real skill that Toni has. She knows how to utilize the laser to get even more effective treatment. And she was doing that effective treatment even before the utilization of the laser. And I know Hope did a lot of research in terms of how can we integrate this into our practice and even go beyond traditional type of treatments for orthopedics to autism or concussion. So I feel like they're very innovative in looking at uses for this and benefiting people across the board.